than they pushing me in the Jesus.
Elon Musk boy. Elon Musk boy. Biggie. Which way now? Yeah, sure that. Like this now. David won't worry my area for me. See, he did my area like this now. You walk off like. Ah, no. No. Which kind of wall be this one? Propeller don't break. They just throw it small like this. It don't. Ah. I will for go launch now like this now. Come this side, enter this place from here. You launch and go like this. Yes. Oh yeah, ready? Go! Movement! Want to go and carry our airplane crash on our neighbor's roof. Maybe they quarrel me like this now. You think they happen? How far now? Our plane don't come scatter on a zinc phone. I'm gonna no vessel. Hey, nice how can we enter? Propeller break. No, my propeller go break. Let me see. But I'm gonna look for outside now. See propeller. Okay. Where the propeller? Look for here. Okay. Propeller go there. Oh yeah. You don't the car. Propeller don't work. So no if you fly again, no. Propeller don't go. Okay, I see we'll make this video more to explain ourselves, you understand? Like what has been going on lately. So, you know, the last flight we crashed into that roof. So the last propeller, I had two propellers. The one just broke, just with small test light. Just break. So we can't put the last one where I get. So it crashed into that roof and broke. You saw it. You guys saw it the way the propeller broke. So now we have gone to order for more propellers from Bini, his office. You understand? They're on their way. Yeah. So propellers are on their way. They will arrive in the evening. So you understand, guys. So before the propellers arrive, we'll be engaging in some other, you know, some crazy risky shit. You understand? Not anybody is risky. You understand? Under 18, no try more. Alright, we want to go and catch fish. Well, guys, you guys will see it. Catfish. Alright, now. Big ones. Go be. You guys stay tuned, right? Stay tuned. Don't miss out any of the videos, okay? Like, share, comment in the comment section below, and make sure you subscribe to the video and give it a thumbs up, okay? Make sure you have that out. Exactly. Make sure you have guys. See you at the bottom of the well, Abby?
Yes.
At the end of the tunnel. The top of the well. Something. Okay. This is the Shama. Hey, more than they pushing me no Bala Jesus. People where they watch videos, where they watch my videos. And more than they pushing me no Bala Jesus.
Look at your mother. This way is very deep.
That flick up loose.
David, then it's one which in the Bawani well. You're obeying your mother.
Don't try this at home, guys. Like the pressure in here is a lot. The pressure in here is a lot, even to breathe. The pressure here. You know? Oh yeah, fish them out. You don't reach the dead end though. Huh? Dead end now with the soup. Your leg will touch ground. Okay. Now grab me that. Yes. But it sink. Huh? Come out for your leg. Don't worry. What's this? guys, so we caught so many fish. Like, I'm so happy. There are so many fish in the sea. Like, oh my god, like so many fish. We caught so many fish, like scubia, sardine, catfish, electric fish, tilapia. You can see crayfish, crab. You see them?
Wow.
Snakefish, you know, mudfish. So many fishes inside the well. Like, I'm so happy. We are going to feast tonight. Like, you guys should come and dine with us. You understand? Look at this. Oh my, pearl. I'm so happy. Oh my god, like,
Wow.
what?
Silver. That is silver.
Wow.
Silver fish.
Wow, like, oh my god.
Silver fish.
This is a lot. This is a lot. Fishers of men. The fishers of men. After that, we don't see as you go now. We have got the video.
The father that gave them to you does not love you. Love, death, and glory. Time is not on our side. But you will pray that He will help you suffer the sufferings of the cross. I know that you have heard that suffering is not part of our life.
Alright. After my see this stuff, you don't see propeller. Like, our propeller has arrived. So guys, let's go and fly. Alright? Go. So guys, we've got our propellers back now. It's time to get back in the air. Alright guys, let's go.
everybody they write novel when I dey read. Sometimes I go see novel, I will sleep it. I will say, oh yeah, move next. Now I get your novel. Look at it. The reward. Now you suppose.
Shebi I recognize this guy. That my guy where they talk, you know they talk till they finish. Well, that's not what we're here today to do. Today we are going to the reefs. We dey go reefs, you understand? Normal reefs now. River now. But we know my mother know, you understand? We are sneaking there. We are sneaking. Look at what force we are. We have mounts. We have mounts, you understand? This week has been so eventful. Like, it's supposed to be part 1 and part 2. David, I go. My RC man will come see me normally, still there, normally, you understand? Later in the evening, we'll cruise the RC. Exactly, we'll fly in the evening, but now we need to visit the reefs, you understand? Sweep the mummies. Hey. They are going to the reefs to see some little mummies. You understand? Yes. No. Huh? No! Wait, you see me since Anna? Yes. I don't can't get the time to come. Hey! I don't can't get the time to come to video again. Omo. Alpha. Shut up, Weary. Get with it now, I missed. For una sake. Abi. Oi. This place is really deep though. Now water resistant iPhone 14.
You use the cake, eh?
Oh, no. Man, it's really hot. Whoa.
Oh, nigga.
Leave me with it.
Oh, nigga.
With it, leave me.
Oh, nigga.
Leave me alone. Never. No.
Nigga. Nigga. No for gun right.
Yo, it's your boy Samuel Greatness talking to you live from Miami Beach. You can see we are live at Miami Beach. From here we're moving to Cyprus Beach, you understand? Okay, some guys are getting ready to get wet, you understand? These ones are already wetting themselves already. Look at them. They're already getting wet already, okay? So guys, it's my turn, I can't miss out on the phone, you understand? Alright guys, man, this place is wild, like oh, look at the place. This is the environment. My guy is washing his back. Young D, say hi.
Hi.
Don't be lie. This is the environment. You see it, guy, man. This place is wide. Like, you guys should try and take a vacation to this Miami Beach. You understand? It's live and direct here in Miami Beach. You understand? Yeah. All right. Yeah. That place is really deep, though. That place is really deep. No, guy, this is YouTube content. Stop saying all those kind of things. YouTube, bro. This boy. Underaged viewers are viewing this content. Alright, guys. I want to go and see some mammies. You understand? Some little mammies. You get? Okay, now. Let's get soaked. No, guys, no way! Me now. Big man. It's going down. Guys, this place is so deep, like, watch this. Kill him! Catch! Finish him! Hey guys, so we are done swimming now. We are heading home. The only challenge we're actually facing now is that the place we went to swim is actually in the outskirts of our town. So now you can see there's no house here, no houses, nothing. Like, we don't know how to get home right now. We're just trekking it, small. We don't know how to reach us. Our house is actually, like, let me say 4 kilometers or 4 to 5 kilometers away from this place. Yeah, 4 to 5 kilometers away. So you can see we are stranded. But that is all for this week's vlog. You guys take care of yourselves. Like the video, share, subscribe, comment down below. You feel me? Tell me if I'm playing too rough. You get? Alright guys, you go be now. Stay tuned. Next week vlog is coming up, and subscribe guys. Like, I'm taking all these risks. Do you know, like, let me make this review. Like, when I entered that river with my phone, do you know my phone actually entered the river? My parents are watching this video. Like, this the phone we bought for you.